calculating cubes by using the sutra Anurupena. Anurupena means proportionately. We are going to use ratios and proportion in this method. We will study this method for calculating the cubes of 2 digits numbers. So let us read the algorithm. Let xy be 2 digits number where y is units place digit and x is tens place digit. We are going to obtain an answer in 4 parts: left part, middle part 1, middle part 2 and right part. First of all, find the ratio R, capital R. We will denote it by capital R. Y upon x, where y is units place digit and x is tens place digit. Now, step number 1 is calculating left part. We are going to start from left to right. So, what is left part? Left part is x cube. Calculate x cube and write in left part. What is middle part? Middle part 1 is value of left part, that is x cube, multiplied by ratio R. What is middle part 2? X cube multiplied by ratio R squared. See, x cube multiplied by R squared is same as that of middle part 1 multiplied by R. What is right part? X cube multiplied by R ratio R cubed. It means that middle part 2 multiplied by ratio R. Now, fifth step is we will calculate middle part 1 multiplied by 2 and middle part 2 multiplied by 2 and write those values in middle part 1 and middle part 2 respectively. Okay, and we will add them vertically. You will better understand it while solving the example, friends. Important note, every part except left part should contain one digit only. So extra digit or digits, if any, should be passed to its immediate left part. Left part may contain more than one digit. So let us practice it now. Cube of a given number 14. First example, 14 cube. There are two digits in this number. 4 is units place digit and 1 is tens place digit. So the ratio R is 4 upon 1. Correct? It means 4. So we are going to use this 4 in further calculations. Okay. Now friends, we are going to obtain an answer in 4 parts. This is left part. This is middle part 1. This is middle part 2 and this is right part. What is left part? Let us write formula there. X cube. Correct? Where x is tens place digit. Okay, that means here in this case x is 1. X is tens place digit. What is middle part 1? X cube multiplied by R. X cube multiplied by R. What is middle part 2? This part multiplied by R. Okay, it means that x cube multiplied by, see, x cube multiplied by R multiplied by R. It means that x cube multiplied by R squared. What is right part? This part multiplied by R. It means that x cube multiplied by R cubed. Now we will write the values here, but before writing final values we will first do rough work here and write final values here. Okay, so that it will free us from confusion, because we are going to write 2 times middle part 1, 2 times middle part 2. What is left part? Left part is 1 cube, it means 1. So write 1 here. What is middle part 1? M1 equal to x cube multiplied by r. What is x cube? 1. That is, x cube means 1 cube multiplied by r, that is 4, ratio r, which is equal to 4. So value of m1 is 4. So let us write value here. What is m2? That means middle part 2. X cube multiplied by r squared. X cube means 1 only. Multiplied by 4 squared. R means 4. R squared means 4 squared, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 4 squared is 16. So it is 16. So what is value of M2? 16. Okay, so write 16 in M2. What is right part? See, right part is x cube, that means 1 multiplied by r cube, that means 4 cubed, which is equal to 64, because 4 cubed is 64. So write 64. See, value of RP is 64. So we wrote 64. Now what is next step? That is fifth step. 2 multiplied by M1, that is middle part 1, and 2 multiplied by middle part 2, and we are going to write those values in middle part 1 and middle part 2 respectively. Let us write it. What is value of middle part 1? 4. 2 times 4 is, see, 2 multiplied by m1 is 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So write 8 here. Now 2 multiplied by m2, what is m2? 16. So 2 multiplied by m2 is 2 multiplied by m2 is 2 multiplied by 16, which gives us 32. So write 32 in middle part 2. Simple friends, simple, no complexity at all. Okay, now add vertically. Let us add vertically. Write 64 as it is, because here there's nothing. Okay, so 64. Now add 16 and 32. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 3, 4. What is m1? 4 plus 8, 12. And 1 as it is, because there's nothing to add. Left part is 1, middle part 1 is 12, middle part 2 is 48, and right part is 64. See, every part except left part should contain one digit only. So extra digit or digits, if any, should be passed to its immediate left part. Left part may contain more than one digit. So let us pass extra digit, and always do this process of passing extra digits or writing zeros in place of deficit digits from right to left, always. So consider right part. What is extra digit in this part? 6 is an extra digit. Why 6 is an extra digit? Because we always retain digit at units place and pass digit or digits at higher places to its immediate left part. So 6 is higher place digit because it is at tens place. So let us pass 6 to its immediate left. 48 is immediate left. So 48 plus 6 is how much? 54. Now come to this part, middle part 2. Which is extra digit? 5 is an extra digit. So let us transfer this 5 to its immediate left. Transferring means, passing means adding. Okay, so 5 plus 2, 7, 1. Now come to middle part 1. Here 1 is an extra digit. So pass this 1 to its immediate left. So 1 plus this 1 is 2. So let us write final answer. What was the number? 14 cubed is equal to, left part is 2, middle part 1 is 7. Don't write this one because we have already passed it. Middle part 2, 4, and last part, that is right part, is 4. So 14 cubed is 2744. Let us solve. Next example. Second example, 37. Okay, so we are going to calculate cube of 37. Correct? So first of all, let us find ratio. Ratio R. Ratio of what? Ratio of units place digit 7 to tens place digit 3. That means 7 upon 3. So here ratio is 7 upon 3. What is left part? Left part is x cube. What is x here? X is 3. X is tens place digit. So x is 3. 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Correct? So write 27 in the left part. What is middle part? Middle part 1. This part, x cube multiplied by r. So 27 multiplied by ratio r, 7 by 3. 3 nines are 27. So 9 sevens are 63. So m1, value of m1, middle part 1 is 63. So write value of middle part 1. What is middle part 2? Middle part 2 is x cube, that means 27. 3 cube. 3 cubed is 27 multiplied by r squared. R is 7 upon 3. 7 squared, 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. So 7 squared is 49. 49 multiplied by 3 is 3 nines are 27. Write 7, carry 2. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 147 is value of middle part 2. So write 147. What is right part? Right part is x cube, that means 27 multiplied by r cube, that means 7 cube, 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 only, so this will cancel. Okay, what is 7 cube? 343. So value of right part is 343. So write 343. Now friends, we have calculated the values of these 4 parts. Now fifth step is multiply middle part 1 by 2 and multiply middle part 2 by 2. What is middle part 1? Middle part 1 is 63. So multiply this 63 by 2. We get 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So 126. Write 126 here. What is middle part 2? 147. Multiply 147 by 2. We get 2 sevens are 14. Write 4, carry 1. 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 9. And 2 ones are 2. Okay, that means 294. So write 294. 294 here. Now it is time to add vertically. Okay, so let us add vertically. So write 343 as it is. 343. Now add these two values. 7 plus 4, 1, carry 1. 10 plus 4, 14, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 441 is value of middle part 2 after addition. Okay, next 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 2, 8, 1 as it is. and 27. Write 27 as it is. Now these are 4 values. Now next step is balancing this by passing extra digits if any. Yes, start this process from right to left. Now do we have extra digits in right part? Yes, there are 2 extra digits. We are going to retain this 3 and passing these 2 extra digits, that is number 34, to its immediate left, that is 441 plus 34, 5, 7 and 4. Now here also we have 2 extra digits, 47. So pass this 47 to its immediate left. So add 47. So 7 plus 9 is 16, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13, 1 plus 1 2, 236. Here also in this part also we have 2 extra digits. So pass it to its immediate left. So 27 plus 23 is 50. So it is time to write final answer. 37 cubed is 50. Write 50. Write 6. Don't consider 23. We have already passed this 23. So write 6. Write 5. Okay, don't consider this 47. We have passed it. Now right part, don't consider 34. We have passed it. So write 3 only. So answer is 50653. 50,653. This is our answer, friends. Next example, number with 1 decimal place. Third example is 7 point cubed. Okay friends, for the time being, don't consider this decimal point and consider the number as 78 only. We will think of this decimal point later, after calculations of these 4 parts, after balancing it and while writing final answer. Okay, so for now consider 78 only. 8 is units place digit and 7 is tens place digit. What is ratio? Ratio R is 8 upon 7. Units place digit to tens place digit. What is left part? What is left part? X cube. What is x here? See, consider this number only. What is x cube? This is x and this is y. What is x cube? X cube is 7 cubed, which is equal to 343. Correct? See friends, again I am telling you, it is very important to know the cubes of the numbers up to 20 to 25. Okay, it will always help you in faster calculations. So value of left part is 343. So write 343. What is middle part 1? Middle part 1 is x cube multiplied by ratio r. What is x cube? 343 multiplied by ratio r, which is 8 upon 7. Now it will cancel. Okay, 49. 49 multiplied by 8. This 8, which is equal to 8 9s are 72. Write to carry 7. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7 39. So 392 is the value of middle part 1. 392. What is middle part 2? Middle part 2. X cube multiplied by r squared. X cube is 343 multiplied by r square, that is 8 square, 7 squared. 7 squared is 49, so it will cancel. 7. 8 squared is 64. It means 64 multiplied by 7 is 7 4s are 28. Write 8, carry 2. 7 6 are 42 plus 2 is 44. 448 is the value of middle part 2. 448. Correct. What is right part? Right part is x cube. 343 multiplied by ratio r cubed. What is ratio? 8 upon 7. Cube, cube. So 343 is nothing but cube of 7. Cube of 7. 7 cubed is 343. So let us cancel it. And 8 cube is 512. 512, which is the value of right part. 512. Now, fifth step is multiply middle part 1, first middle part by 2 and multiply second middle part by 2. 2 multiplied by 392, write the value here, and 2 multiplied by 448, write the value here. 392 multiplied by 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, okay, and 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 784. 784. Correct. Now 2 multiplied by 448. 448 multiplied by 2 is 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8. 896. Write 896 here. See friends, after calculations of 4 parts, we are going to double the values of middle part 1 and middle part 2 and write those values in the middle part 1 and middle part 2 respectively. Now let us add it. Add vertically. Write 512 as it is because there is nothing here to add with. 6 plus 8, 14. 10 plus 4, 14. 9 plus 4, 13. Correct? 1344. 6. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. 8 plus 3, 11. 1176 is value of M1. That is middle part 1. And write 343 as it is. So we have these 4 values now. Now it is time to balance. Balancing means carrying or passing extra digits to its immediate left part. 51. In the right part, 51 extra digits. So let us pass it to next left side. Passing means adding. 5 plus 4, 9 and 13 as it is. 1395. Now here we have 3 extra digits, 1, 3 and 9, 139. So let us pass it to next immediate left part. So 139. Let us add it. So 15, 11, 13. Okay, 1315. Here also we have 3 extra digits, 131. So let us carry these 3 extra digits to next immediate left part and add it. 4, 7 and 4. 474. Now let us write final answer. Given number was 7.8 cubed is left part is 474. Middle part 1 is 5. Middle part 2 is 5 and right part is 2. But given number contains one decimal place. Given number contains one decimal place. So its cube will contain 3 decimal places. So let us write decimal point here so that this cube will contain 3 decimal places. So in this way Anurupena Sutra is used for calculating the cubes, and in this way numbers with decimal places are cubed. So next example, Fourth example, 53. We are going to cube number 53. So let us first calculate ratio. This is y and this is x. 3 is at units place and 5 is at tens place. So the ratio R is 3 over 5 or 3 upon 5. Because we consider ratio units place digit to tens place digit. So the ratio R is 3 upon 5. Now let us calculate left part. What is left part? See, this is x and this is y. Okay, left part is x cube, that means 5 cubed, which is equal to 125. Correct? So write 125 in the left part. What is middle part 1? Middle part 1 is x cube multiplied by ratio R. What is x cube? 125 multiplied by ratio 3 by 5. So 5 1 and it is 25, which is equal to 25 3s are 75. So value of middle part 1 is 75. Write this value in the middle part. What is middle part 2? Middle part 2 is x cube, that means 125 multiplied by ratio squared, that means 3 squared 5 squared, which is equal to 5 squared is 25. See, 25 5s are 125. What is 3 squared? 3 squared is 9. So 5 9s are 45. So middle part 2 is 45. So let us write 45 in middle part 2. What is right part? Right part is x cube, that is 125 multiplied by ratio R cubed, that means 3 cubed and 5 cubed. 5 cubed is 125 only, so let us cancel. 3 cubed is 27. So value of right part is 27, and let us write this 27 in the right part. Now friends, we have calculated the values of left part, m1, m2 and right part. Now it is time to multiply m1, that is 75, by 2 and write below 75. 75 multiplied by 2 is 150. Now multiply this 45, which is the value of m2. Multiply this 45 by 2, which is 90, and write 90 below 45. Okay, m2 means middle part 2, m1 means middle part 1. Now we have completed 5 steps and it is time to add vertically. So let us add, write 27 as it is. Add 45 and 90, 5 and 30. Okay, 135. 5, 2, 2. Okay, 225. Correct, and write 125 as it is. Now next step is balancing. Balancing means passing extra digits if any. 2 is an extra digit, so let us pass this 2 to its immediate left part. So 135 plus 2 is 137. Here we have 2 extra digits, 13, number 13. So let us pass this number 13 to its immediate left part and add 8, 3, 2. Okay, that means 238. Here also we have 2 extra digits, 23. So let us pass these 2 extra digits, number 23, to its immediate left. Let us add 5 plus 3, 8, 4, 1. Okay, 148. Now it is time to write final answer. What is given number? 53. So 53 cubed is, what is left part? 148. What is middle part? 1, 8. What is middle part? 2, 7. What is right part? 7. 1,48,877. Okay, 1,48,877 is cube of 53. Now by using Bijanka method, friends, we can check if this answer is correct or not. How to do it? Let us apply Bijanka method. See, calculate Bijank of 53 cubed. This value should be equal to Bijank of 1,48,877. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 cubed is 512. 512. See, Bijank of 1,48,877. So, how did we write 512 here? See, first of all, add these two digits, 5 plus 3. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now calculate cube of 8. What is cube of 8? 512. Add all the digits in the given number. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. It means that 8 is Bijank of 512. Okay, which should be equal to. So 1 and 8 we will cancel it because 1 plus 8 is 9 and we exclude such digits whose sum is 9. So 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. So 26, we don't want Bijanka in two digits. Let us add the digits 2 and 6 in the number 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. Both sides are tallied and our answer is correct. Okay, so this is how Bijanka method is applied to check the answer. Okay, to verify the answer if it's correct or not. So next example. Example number 5. Last example 9.3. Let us calculate cube of 9.3. Now let us neglect this decimal point till our calculations are complete. So let us write this number as 93. Consider this 93. 9 is x and 3 is y. 3 is units place digit and 9 is tens place digit. Now what is ratio? R. 3 upon 9. It means 1 upon 3. Ratio is 1 upon 3. Let us calculate left part. What is left part? Left part is x cube, 9. So 9 cube, which is equal to, what is 9 cubed? 729. So write 729 in the left part. What is middle part 1? Middle part 1 is x cube, that is 729 multiplied by 1 upon 3. That means x cube multiplied by ratio. X cube is, that is 9 cube is 729. Ratio is 1 upon 3, 1 by 3, which gives us how much? 243. So 243. Write 243 in the middle part 1. 243. What is middle part 2? Middle part 2 is x cube, that is 9 cube, that is 729 multiplied by ratio 1 upon 3 squared, that means, okay, which is equal to, this will cancel, okay, 81, correct. So middle part 2 is 81. So write 81 in the middle part 2. What is right part? Right part is x cube, that means 729. X cube means 9 cube. 729 multiplied by 1 upon 3 cubed, r cubed. Okay, so 729 multiplied by 1 upon 3 cubed, that means 27. So it will be 27 because 27 squared is 729. So 27. So write 27 in the right part. Now we have calculated these 4 parts. Now let us multiply middle part 1 by 2 and write the answer below 243. Middle part 1, 243 multiplied by 2 is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 486. 486. Now multiply 81 middle part 2 by 2. 81 multiplied by 2 is 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Okay, that means 162. Write 162 below 81. Now we have completed 5 steps. Let us add vertically. So let us add vertically. Write 27 as it is. 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 14 and 2, 243. See, this is 6 plus 3, 9, 2, 1 is 7. 729 and 729. Now friends, it is time to pass extra digits. Starting from right side, right to left. So 2 is an extra digit here. So let us pass 2 to its immediate left, right here and add 3 plus 2, 5, 24 as it is. Now here there are 2 extra digits, the number 24. So pass this 24 to its immediate left, add this 753. Here are 2 extra digits. So pass these 2 extra digits, that is the number 75, to its immediate left, add to get 804. Now let us write final answer friends. Number was 9.3 cubed is, what is left part? 804. What is middle part? 1, 3. See, neglect this 75 because we have worked upon it. We have passed it. Okay, so don't consider past digits. Write this 3. Yes, we wrote it. Write this 5. And what is right part? 7. Write this 7. But given number is having 1 decimal place, so its cube will have 3 decimal places. So the answer is 9.3 cubed is 804.357.